I say throughout my 5 live shows and before my birthday will be on Sunday, June 14, I be promise when I say I will personally carry action them from Nizam. And on the 14th, the whole Bamenda will be hot. And that one, as I be talking, 90% of the action will be coordinated by me personally. For my small homework, I should done for Miami, Florida, I will coordinate that action. Well, we will continue to understand, say, just one quick minute, I'll put this thing on mute. We will continue to understand, say, we don't reach a level where the Ambazonian revolution is not going to be again for talkers, for blackmailers, for people that not understand, they say people they die for ground, they be consistent on trying to get ends meet for themselves, on duping the people, on performing the same duties and what they run away from the Republic of Cameroon. Mommy and Papa, them fellow Southern Cameroonians. Now, na humble servant don't come from a face from time immemorial. We don't struggle for CC to win this war because it be important. Say we not move from captivity to slavery. Why I can't say captivity to slavery? Because La Republic we don't capture we, it annex we, it recolonize we. Now they won't put we now in chains like slaves. But as Eric Tato and as the 10%, we don't deny, say, we not go succumb or subscribe to those kind of antics from a colonizer. Now, why that we don't continue for up the strategies, for continue for keep this revolution made it brief, because, all we as a people get for understand one thing will be systematic. The bona fide leaders and for the revolution, they jail. When I don't get the revolution for person will sell them out and the group will sell them out. This part they jail and it be very certain say they not go come out just too soon. And therefore, we the 10% will get for activate with we will call and say courageous revolutionary tactics for get our people out from the jails, get our refugees and back for settle. But if you tell all the refugees and one thing when they live in Nigeria, they listen to me. We not get forget 1,000,000% hope. So long as this young man Eric Tato is still alive, and they do everything to mobilize, strategize for make sure so we'll fight La Republic for the longest time possible and we'll sustain the fight. Now, either way, we'll move from one strategy to another and we'll use our personal money for fight this war, despite the fact that blackmailers they up, they make noise and so on and so forth. We'll not expect them for not do La Republic a job. Now, La Republic only them the job, they do them very perfectly, but they need to succeed because so one thing the way if you build them around you, they don't ever break them credibility. And I wait that way, God bless Eric Tato from day one of this revolution. Now, why that way they tell anybody say, don't give me gifts, not dash me nothing, because me I be businessman, me I did for revolution. If you give me something tomorrow, you can't even coach me, you just for blackmail me. So now why that way, all their blackmails they not work. So when consistent, I go show now get any walking talking the way they don't arrive. The one now phone way, if you do even inside water, we can just put a SIM card. All the Ambazonians wait now the day for the National Army, they could get all these gadgets. I get everything they within place for make the first consignment with the sea try for flop and up. And we now know one thing say they go still bring conspiracy. But this one now I right with the say I'm for America here, we buy them for help our boys there for ground, where they defend homeland for well I'm missing not buy them for bush. All we now must know one thing, say the military it already be formed, the Ambazonian National Army. Now I tell people they say, me I know they again for the talk for Facebook. And the only come when action day, the boys that they mobilize. We don't need plenty boys for liberate homeland. We just start the military with just the exact number we want them at this time. You see, they become making noise about National Army, go up, come down, but we remain stay fast. We get walking talking here, and also walking talking this, where you just need for turn on, and you go hear everything, So we be very happy, say, yeah, all them they work, they get their chargers them, so the tank, and I will tell now, one of our brothers them drive all the way from Atlanta, Georgia. He come here on the 12th, where are they Florida for Miami. He get for Whitney yesterday. I come back before he go. Now yesterday we give me this thing then before he go back. So we will get suggestions on how the boys they will use these equipments. We will get military experts and we they will talk for we all then they okay. So that we'll know how we'll see. And me some man will can't talk say, oh, you not wear uniform, but they don't wear uniform because they will see, so we don't get a national army, don't get their own uniform and their own walking talking. We need to talk plenty with the act and we'll get many more people that will do this contribution. So Now, I don't also think I'm say, okay, each consignment where you go, it will need something like this. Now, a speaker this way, now USB friendly. So this speaker now for the army, for the military, for Bush. They're not going to use it for the play music because if it attract like the public, but they will know how they will do them. So these speakers, now special speaker they are the band for the military. This one I already command for 20 of these speakers, and yes, they have just buy one for testing. So they'll get 20. Wait till the essence and I say if they want to do a short video, where they want to do some small video, they want to play national anthem. They therefore use now this speaker. They very, I don't connect on one of my phones, and it is very friendly because one military therefore be very organized. 2 billion time pass. Okay, for example, my test them with your president in music. My put Sisiku Ayoktabe Julius. Okay. Now in music, this we go test and see if you go play. So that if you play, we play with your Ambazonian national anthem. I will play Ambazonian national anthem too as well. Okay, so
Sisiku Julius Ayoktabe, Assistant Vice President for Digital Services.
So
and Chief Information
all this
Officer,
equipment,
Office of Technology and Digital Services, American University of Nigeria.
Okay.
Yeah. Wow.
So if they want to play what national anthem.
Are you Richard Babila Mende? Ajo? Kabaka is the name.
All right.
Hail this land of glory, we the Amazonian, nation loyalty. Praise the soul and Savior who granted us the freedom. And never saw the hero who called along the yard. Glory to.
All right. So we'll be very glad say we do all these displays and so on. So things they need for the military, and see we will answer all man the way they come. So now, for being a military, you need to start for the basics and put they talk about guns and bullets and so on. We're not going to tell now what we do about guns and bullets, but all those things will be in place. If you say the action they kind of bamenda that way, now me a coordinator, they kind of way in our stick. If you hear the take gun, they shout, right? Because we know how we're working. We know we can't talk about gun bullet here because La Republic, we know some of them when they claim to be Ambazonians, we be actually La Republic. And I make them very, very clear from my platforms across the board. I don't give instructions for all my administrators for National Telegraph and my pages and say, may they block, delete anybody will come with this kind of pro-La Republic comments. That one be very, very, very clear. Okay, now the military shoes and this way it don't be given, so all our fighters in program they will get something like this. And these shoes they be meant for bush. When they want to go second mission, they're not going to use these shoes because it will be some form of identification. So all these shoes will be now for fighters so we change the game, systematically because it is very, very important. Now we'll get more of those supplies right here. We get these shoes so as soon as you see, I saw the shoes of this, the new one and this. So that's exactly the point. So make all we will understand one thing. The war of independence, it will be fought till the last man standing. And me will be very clear about everything. You see, my strategy, I call it my strategy. We the 10%, our strategy be very simple. Not be, for work, for exploit the population. So that's also the shoes and this as Navisian, the inside here. Because 15 and not really fight for bush, snake the bites one and kill. I know how many fighters we snake don't kill them because they're not their shoes. So with shoes like this, it will help what fighters them for not get any snake bite. So now then this, now also than this, and a new one in this. Navisian. So we'll continue to solicit for all Ambazonians goodwill because a lot of people don't think the revolution turn into game for make money. But like I don't talk, and I will still continue for talk. If you join, you share extensively. For fight war, I did for America, and maybe my age and my size, for time this revolution will go down, I will use the worst method, I will put them that way in quotes, for bring them back on the spot. For talk things the way no man of it talk, the same thing the way some activists will talk, say FBI could get me down, and so on and so forth. I talk those things and keep the revolution alive. And I feel say we the 10% will get the personal responsibility for ensure say this revolution not get fulfilled. Now, as you be aware, Mami and Padem, Cameroon government, he know very well, say the key were people. And then for continuously hold them to task, we have to understand one thing very quickly. I don't know why we, just give me a minute. My equipment, my device be quite low. I don't know why, but it's strange. It's like, I don't know why it's not charging. Give me a minute. Let me see if I got it right. I hope it's not going to go off. Yeah, most likely. I don't know why. Something happened on my device. But so as I will talk, I will try to make them very brief, Mami and Papa them. It be very strategic. It be very important for we to know. You see, a lot of our friends where they did for this fight for fame, for find money, because they see they won't be blocked for get money because some project don't come like dark. All these things are so dark not by one. Yes. Now one man, one human being, I call it Frank Manon. They don't get donation 2 funds from Mezam and the Menchu, where chairman Didier can't take him. He tell me, say, bro, out of trust, you be the only person where you talk something, man, reason. He come out, he come here on the 12th, me and you miss calls, he come here, he wait me, I come on Miami, he go now yesterday, so he spent 4 days only for hand these things to me. You see, so we not ask because some people say, oh, give money. If person if he buy goods like this for contributing for the army, some people say no volume, no, you never check your device, the volume there. If you buy things like this for contributing for the army, it be better. It be 2 billion times better than having money. One of our brothers a day for what I call it, one of my classmates, my classmate, a friend, when I'm a classmate, a husband, he be give $300 to buy stuff, and since you know, I tell you, the $300 I know cash out the day for rare because you know if you do something, you not do the thing immediately, so you get to go rearrange a couple of things. So we get to understand one thing. When it comes to Eric Tato, now I don't care the people for that say, we not concentrate on the strategy where you go bring people in. Forget about the noise because the people they make noise about that. Now put the way they be feel say Eric Tato can join them for their very obscure operations. But me, I not believe in that. Any project where me I put my hand because I be blessed. Because I not get the spirit for sabotage another person. I pray for all my progress. You know, we beat the project. Now, by the way, no matter how much they talk about that will go ahead. That get the best donors. I be one of the best donors for that. Most of the campaign for that, I will fund them. The DAG members, they did like Sister Jennifer, we just joined, and a couple of projects. They see the progress for that. DAG nobody even start, you know, spending actual money because DAG nobody raise enough money. But DAG is still sponsor projects and through basket. But despite the fact that people they sabotage that every day, they cry and cry because that still be wealthier than them. So we all have to understand one thing. Now, why that way I believe in that. Now, person is not one person in donation this. A drive can give me. You don't hear, I don't can talk say, na me I buy them. I don't think you can do that kind of propaganda because I get to acknowledge the source. We get 20 boots here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 walking, talking. But Miss, I don't buy these speakers for Adam for this so that they fight them will get this speaker for you and for play the national anthem and so on and so forth. So the strategy for win this fight, it belongs to us and we are going to win. This is the starting point. Nobody no go deter we from forming our military. The military already formed to now we equip them from basics to standard to sophistication. So we got to go one step at a time. No man no day way you will go buy military gun. We know start training the military will start recruit them. It doesn't happen. So when somebody can make noise, I feel talk as a matter of fact say 90. I don't know how to put them, but most of the critical action, the way they steam the ground, now Eric Tato they operate on those actions. That's the truth. But when we do them, some of them can claim responsibility. But we don't talk say we announce before it happened. We talk Mezam for birthday on the 14th. It was not coincidence. But I didn't for Fako, no, not from Mezam. So that one I just for talk say we as a people. And I wouldn't do them, not boys them, independent boys and we Eric Tato talk with them. So we'll get to be very clear on this fact. I not say maybe some people if you don't carry action by chance on that day, I appreciate you to be part of the action way. I don't know or I know to contact you. Great job. Great job for any other group will be involved. But as I talk, say 90% of the action will be done by Eric Tato. And I claim that action because that was my birthday promise to the Ambazonian people. So we'll continue to remain consistent. We'll continue to remain very powerful. And I therefore know, so these are the equipment. The van, what we promised we buy for protest, the van is in progress. Because the van, it take a little bit of time because negotiations and we'll get for buy screen, put and here and all of those stuff. So they my very broad away, it bring it in there. I'll be telling you, okay, go help for find the van because I'll be change the agent. Once we get everything, but it's in progress and it must be done, no matter how long it's going to take, but we'll get the van. So I think assure when the Ambazonian people say, all of us must stay firm. Some people they make noise say shoes before gun. So you're there for America, not be say not just door commentators and owner like Republic agents. So if now you there for America, if you can take gun, you show on Facebook show gun. If you can take gun, you show them at this time where America get riot. So because the only hope now say me Eric Tato do something where police go can arrest you or FBI. So I'm not glad we'll get gun them. And I get for no that, and they didn't have a gun zero. Gun get for them of America. But shoes, official shoes here because our right for show shoes. No matter on a provocation, I not do things that be contrary to my safety. And I get for no that very well because I intelligent pass most of I make those comments here. So you know carry gun, you know be that toy gun when I go to the snap for bush, the mail so at the site and the shoot. For here na intelligence and delivery. We know they for come the talk say we'll do this, show gun here, show gun that. I don't ask now one question say when I announce action, say action happen for Fako, cut for Limbe, go down. Now you can do the action, now Eric Tato. Well, I announce for Manu, it will happen. I announce for Bamenda, it will happen. I announce for any part where I make announcement, it will happen. If I want to do something today or tomorrow, from Dian or from Meme, anytime I don't finish announcement, give me 2-3 days, I'm going to do the action. So when I do the action, Oron can take responsibility. Now, make will be very clean and clear. Say, so people say any man fish show gun for America. No, any man not fish show gun for America. You are gone with the shrine. It be dependent upon the context of the gun. So we will understand now. So if you make that noise again, you're going to be blocked instantly on this page. So that is exactly what I'm going to do. So if I see you comment on that, you put it out, you listen us from the radio. So with that said, ladies and gentlemen, fellow Southern Cameroonians, Ambazonians, so these things are for the military, for the Ambazonian National Army. We have the walking, talking. We have their speaker there for the playing of the national anthem. Sometimes they can also have a bit of their enjoyment. So we don't strategize to make sure that these things just work in the most better way. So that all we will be happy at the end of the day. So I was at the final. Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, fellow Southern Cameroonians, make una not worry. When our liberation has come, we are going to liberate ourselves. We have the equipment here. We don't start to gather. More will come. So my other brother be done by 4 or 5 walking, talking. He get for 6 send them. Now I don't settle. I go write it, make it send them. We'll gather them, put them together. Now I write. Forget all these things then. Go for shops then. A lot of these things that they buy and donate them for the fighters. Now, very, very quick issue on DAC. As you be aware, DAC now the one project where you don't panic everybody. Everybody. The highest people that they attack DAC, now 3 people they attack DAC, 2 then they top their attacks. The other one they don't try, they say they need to succeed, they don't leave them. But they try one time. The 2 people they attack that, number 1, now my country people, the La Republique engine, when I'm for the revolution, my country people, now they attack that, the highest. Number 2, now ADF soldiers, they attack that now, they say that he's not correct. They don't double their attack on that pass, my country people. You know why my country people, they attack that, then they pick them, they attack that, but they don't say, I say, wait, no, they don't slow down because they not fight the dark. You know why my country people start attack that? Because they know for sure. Say dark. When they see the project, when they see the dark project, my country people fear. He no say no. If we not stop this project, this guy they will use them again for regain Ambazonia and to destabilize the Republic agenda. They put my country people exactly automatically on the dark attack. They can say attack that. They start attack that, attack that, attack that. The next time now, the people that they be fair forget my support when the ADF soldiers they climb to on the attack now. They attack. So sometimes they when people they will to say ADF now La Republic and they can't defend them. Sometimes they even confused because the way La Republic they do them, way my country people they do them, ADF they do them times 2. So why is that? Okay, take for example, right? I go come on Miami camp. I don't buy boat. The boat now how much? $25,000. But that not get even up to $25,000. That not get that money. But the boat will generate me money for able for support the revolution. Now National Telegraph, your account will sign out check for the project where they sell the boat. So if you see some man can make noise, because it be very funny, say right. Say you some person come America before you with the same opportunities, then it be an absolute failure. So it resort to jealousy. So we got to be very critical about this project. We need to know where they stand, where they belong. We'll not be fight them because we don't get enough fight against my country people. So those things they get to be very, very clear. Very clear. As a matter of fact. Very clear. We're going to put them very clear. That get maybe 18,000 or thereabout dollars. I never checked recently, but that began the last time that began about 17,000, 18,000, that range. So when you see people they cry all over social media about the progress of a company, you begin to ask yourself one simple question. Say, but what? Why is this guy so lazy? You see the point? They be extremely categorically very lazy. And you know if you understand why. You see, so once a man, this one a general advice, once you get that mentality for jealousy on the progress of another person, you remain extremely poor for life. So, okay, take for example, right? I will still continue to show these things because it be very important. Oh, above 19,000 now, perfect. So that don't go 19,000. Now that members and that. Me, I need border because anybody put $1 for that, if they inside the meeting. Ask the that every time I attend meeting for that for the past 1 week, but the progress be very enormous. Guys, I mean, we get doctors and they will contribute. Any campaign one come on Nigeria, don't fund them. So when you look at these things categorically, you know that these guys, they just crying a failure. And you always get this resistance, this jealousy from your age group. Because, for example, Dr. Makongo Nofidi criticized me about my progress. I don't go buy a boat. Mere boat. Somebody crying. People they buy Range Rover and how much Range Rover expensive fast boat. So you see the issue. And America, I might tell you one thing. You know, they all live for America, Europe, China, everywhere. Now level ground. Business here be very easy, very fertile. So you just need to understand and to strategize so that you move forward. It not make no sense. Say young man will get energy, they come for Facebook every day and I only can't jealous another young man with the progress. I don't get time for those things, but just for talk one thing, say, you know, the only condition for you for progress, for be like, if you envy me positively, you'll be like me. If you envy me negatively, you will never. So that should be a fact. That should be a fact. Like seriously, right? Every time of the work, 20 hours, round the clock. Sometimes you sleep. So we all must understand the perspective of this jealousy. So La Republic, my country people serve even better past some of these ADF surrogates. No, some people ignore. We don't ignore that way. We will have to explain it from what they understand. You know, we need to call their names, but we watch at the environment. My country people still, some people say they still be angry because I don't endorse stuff. That's true. My country people be better than the ADF guys. I talk them clearly. And that they destroy Cho Ayaba. But I want to make them 1 million times clear. Say ADF surrogates. When I get them very clear from every title. When I not go ever beat me. When I not ever defeat my project. When I not go ever compare with me. And I not go ever support me. But I go support initiatives where I have a show the current through the ADF way it makes some sense. So we want to be very, Very, very clear. I never ever discredit any ADF project. But when I look now and they behave like picking them, very childish. Very childish. So all we will get for the men on the spot. That's not the only project. The only one project where it be authentic. That's the only project. Where if you see the amount, you're not getting no propaganda. Now whether me I the support dark. Now whether me I the support dark. That be very transparent. So not ever if you say you ask ADF person where they make other news or can't join that, no. But you get the 10% where they be crucial and the 10% where ADF will cry. They never get them. So I just take this moment to address them. But not call none of their name because now picking them, they define their popularity, but I call the general group where it don't become so useless because a group of people for social media where they don't know how to concentrate for do what if it help their group. They don't have to attack different group. Who you ever say that they can't talk say not contribute for tough, not contribute for this. I only promote that one, so be transparent. So me want to be very clear. And one time ADF where they try to do my country people a job. Yes. So if you're in America, it'll be easy for you. Go open a business, create a business account, be clean to your business partners, get people that can advertise to your company, get jobs, do the jobs. Your bank will give you any money you need that you want to do business. Your business partners will go daily for partner with you. You become a millionaire in dollars overnight. It's a simple strategy. There's no magic. But I say because some of now we talk because 90%, if not 99% of the people they talk say they be activists for ADF. Now former criminals and active people the revolution way no man of it contribute for them because when they see money they only want to take and chop. So they say all man they like them. That's just the reason. So may be very clear. Every time we compare with no all ADF activism put together, all AGOVC activism put together. Planning plus with our bosses, they don't reach my one finger half. They don't reach half finger. So I want to address una very well. More than say if una feel about fight, una already now why they really declare as one of the Republic, but I will still deny that. But when they behave, when they get pro la Republic sentiment. Because it don't make no sense. Man chop crap when I cry, now your money, why they cry the crap? Telegraph is very wealthy. That's my company. Yes, it's a very successful media company. We do anything, anytime. So if it be so bad for you, you don't come up from conspiracy Telegraph need a report in only call Ambazonia but na BBC. But at the end of the day, you can't see and say Telegraph even call Ambazonia pass even in the BBC then. You not talk now. You don't come up can't go now for that. They now dark members and that they. You make noise say that get which money, that the struggle for help the community. And every time to not get one eye say on that, I'll be just a member. So all we'll get from now, I mean this one goes straight to the ADF people there, and me go straight to Dr. Cho Ayawa. Say the only reason why I never piece this ADF now because for a time I will just tell what I say, I don't need to fight ADF. Because all those cheap surrogates and where they can online can make noise in the name of ADF, they are broke activists. They only want to have a tip from the population. They don't even contribute for the people. Every day have a thief. You don't think they're very poor. They make noise. I bring them. Mark Bagata did for this thing. He go be a witness. I bring them for dark. Only condition with dark member they give them. He won't go create TTOF. They tell you say listen, no active, you not touch money. It's because every time a signature for that account. And not even there a signature for that account. Now the community, I recuse myself personally. So no one get nothing to do with that. The cash have not be edited or nothing. Me, I get Telegraph. I get on Telegraph. Yes. To be honest, this one is not a joke. We make a lot of money from Telegraph. That's the truth. And just a lot. So when I see cheap, broke people that they make noise every day, I just take them away for address now because they make una know one thing. See, this way will end. The whole of ADF put together. The whole of una not reach my one finger. One. But when I can't support una, defend the truth way when I used to talk sometime, it's not doing any visa office I don't join una. So me want to go straight to all the ADF. Some ADF survey they call it young guy ask and say rich. Very seriously. Very yes. I'm very tough. Very tough. That should be very clear. So they say, oh, suppose they say, well, you need talk. No, they get the talk. Dangote be talk, say go withdraw money for your account for Siam. Eric Tato is very, very successful with the Telegraph. Yes, we are. So that is a fact. And we will remain on this position. Yes, and I'll be happy saying my 10%, the 10% of the Ambassadorian followers, they don't already understand, say this is how we're going to do it. The feel when they can insult you, me you stay quiet, me they don't pass that conspiracy. When you can't talk, they say empty pride. No. The only person who get empty pride now ADF activism, where they get $0 for their account, they make noise. Me they go buy bottle and me. I'll buy van, I'll do anything anytime because I got the cash in the bank. So that will be very clear. We'll promote the revolution. It will continue to be that way. And so this one should go. It's a clear message to any ADF soldier. When I remember when I start Telegraph, now me this one I will start Telegraph. So I just I will talk about this military thing, then I address some of these ADF soldiers very seriously. Okay, quickly. Now me this one I will start Telegraph 2013. Now me that should do. When I will start, I will tell us a small story. They will insult me every day, try to discourage me. But I keep my mind on the facts. The goal was to build this company, which I don't belong. We'll get our t-shirts, we'll get our caps, we'll get everything. We'll get everything. And we'll open an online store. We'll open a marketplace online for people to buy our goods, our gadgets. We'll get a couple of partners that will come in soon. So I did think about the revolution, so for try to enhance the business so that we get more money for support the revolution. And the case in Ambassador, they contribute for the revolution. No, they need help for do anything. They only can make the noise online. So ADF is a failed group. Failed. If I ever try to stop this noisemakers online, it's a failed group. I'm telling you who are. It's a failed group, absolutely failed. Now, by the way, when I be chief for propaganda, all town or can do different people do action, I can't claim and they always can debunk. ADF has an extremely very bad image. Where at the time I be trying to clean it up, but people go messed up. You have an extremely bad image and you continue to have it. And the last person you want to fight in this revolution is Eric Tato. Because I'll crush you people. Crush you all completely. The 10% will stand. The military is here to stay. And there's nothing anybody in the ADF or EGOFC can do. Nothing. I've said that the only time I'll call a name is when Ayabacho talks to me. And I will not call Cho. Cho will have to call me. Any ADF soldier that wants to die can die. That's how it's going to be. And this should be very clear. This should be very clear. You see, when I was selling papers back home, they will make noise and they use on Facebook because you say, oh, if they sell from a poor vendor. There is no poor newspaper owner. That's the truth. Med of them and Bloomberg, them all they send a newspaper. Once COVID-19 is over, there's a Telegraph paper already on process. Yes. The same standard like the New York Times, the Washington Post. And there is nothing any ADF person can do to stop that. I'm a person who has his project clean out there. When I say things, I do it. So, all of these broke activists will come online to make you understand. I am not your mate. I'm never going to be your mate. I'm your boss. I employed some of you back home. Even here, I can still employ you. So this should be clear. This should be very clear. This should be very clear. That is why Mami and Pada don't talk, say, these guys then, where they make noise every time. Now, poverty. They never did because they know say, small contribution for part they go take and chop. Ask the poor for that. Project won't come out, Namia don't put money, the Gideon don't put money, Sister Mirabe don't put money, Dr. E don't put money, Mish don't put money, Sister Nasta don't put money. So, we get to understand. It be very clear. So, me all the ADF people, they know. When I did disgrace Cho Ayaba maximally, completely. And this should be a clear point to the ADF. Very clear to EGOFC. You can never fight me, you can never beat me. Never. Now, what I see at radio station that was open all day, all microphones, everything, I tell that people, they say, if I not launch that radio, nothing, I don't talk much about that. Because now, they will be hand tied because radio will start before that. So, no way nobody the victor to say, oh, now that money don't open radio. No way nobody. But when they see both, they don't know, say, we'll get the receipt here. Can show you. Yeah. So, if we see people they make noise every day, we'll just look at the laugh. This is it. It's paid for. I do the inspection for the boat in a couple of hours. Man, see the boat guy. This is it. You see that? That's boat guy Miami. This is it. So we're going to do the inspection today on video. So when we see people they make noise every time, it's a wrong approach. It's a wrong approach. Everything, every transaction I do America, it is inside my Telegraph, National Telegraph account because at the end of the year, government will find a way for tax me, for check my tax and all of those things. And I know, say, pension at the point, I say, man, make any mistake with my tax issue, but I need to make I smart very badly. I read all tax laws. I do my thing genuinely like the gospel. So this one I just tell the ADF what they say. I just take this moment for tell them, you know, say when I don't make noise for a long time, I should don't find nothing as well too strong. Anytime I will crush ADF, anytime on social media, anywhere. But that is not the priority. The priority is to focus on the goal. Yeah. I'll take this moment to apologize for the good ADF supporters. They have good ones where they support Erica to support ADF. I apologize for now. So I'll be a little bit hard. So this talk is not concerned on I want to get good conscience. If Dr. Cho get a good conscience, it's not concerning. But I talk particularly for this Mungwin, them where they on social media, they make noise, they talk on behalf of the ADF. None of them, not broke people, them, not very, not broke people. They only wait now for chop from contribution because they say if they support this one, maybe they get $5 they pass through them because they say and say that no active, not touch money for that. They don't go crazy. They don't go very crazy, very crazy. So this one, you get to be very straight. Everybody must understand one thing. When you talk for the longest time, Erica will ignore you. They want to crush you. I will dismantle you anytime. That one should be in your head. It should be in your head. Know very well. It should be in your head. So I know they talk with the put the thief prisoners and money, use them for buy suits, use them for pay their asylum papers. I know they talk with those kind of people. It doesn't work like that. Those are people who don't have any honor. They don't have no dignity. They don't know what they are doing. They are so egocentric. You can't be discussing with those kind of people. Yes, those are people you don't need to reply to. So it should be very clear. You're not going to know that why that way ADF not succeed in terms of raising funds, apart from their diehard supporters, they give money, but the general public not ever go give money for ADF. And I don't talk very clear, I don't talk with the dark members and say, no one thing, any man at ADF, we want America to go for TTOF, ever can put money for that. But the dark member, the 10% be enough for funding revolution until you finish. Yes, it be very clear. It be very clear. The 10% be just enough. So this one be absolutely clear. You see,